Hello besties, today I'm going to show you how to use Simply Matte by Counterculture DIY. It is a mattifier, but before that, let me welcome you to our YouTube channel. Make sure to check out all our social media platforms under Misfit Makers, and of course click that subscribe button so you could be notified of any new tutorials. Check out our website at misfitmakers.com and our Patreon. Okay, so we're going to be using this Simply Matte. It is a new product by DIY. Get that perfect matte look without scratching. So it is like a paste, like a sandy paste, and it smells delicious. Like I'm almost sniffing the lid right there. It smells fruity. So we're going to start with a completely finished tumbler. This is your last step. Whenever you're mattifying, you need it to be completely done. This is absolutely your last step. So as you see, it's nice and shiny and glossy. You're gonna get this little paste here that smells fruity. My recommendation is to wet your tumbler first, get it nice and wet, do it over a sink so you don't make a messy mess, and then grab a little bit like this. This is all you need, and all you're gonna do is scrub, scrub, scrub in circular motion so you do not leave any scratches. I don't think it would leave any scratches, but I was just told that this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to go around in circular motion, and I'm also going to let you guys listen to some ASMR if you guys enjoy that kind of sounds. You know, some people like it. Like I said, it has like a little fruity smell, and it also kind of soapy. So cleans your tumbler pretty well, and plus it mattifies. Enjoy the ASMR. As you guys enjoy the ASMR, I do want to tell you guys this is in real time, so it's not sped up. It actually doesn't take any time at all, but after you rinse it out, if you still feel like it needs some more, you can always add and do it again. It will not hurt the tumbler. You can just work on it some more until you get the look that you want. Okay, enough ASMR. Now let's rinse off the tumbler. After you've worked around the whole tumbler, you want to rinse off the mattifier and make sure you get all the grainy pieces off, and also rinse off the inside of it. You can just rinse it off with water as you see here, or you can add a little soap. Either one works great. And after this, you want to dry it up really good with a towel. Then you will get a really good idea of how your tumbler is looking and if you need to do the steps again. Like I said, if you are not satisfied with how it looks, you can always repeat the steps, get it wet, add a little bit of paste, and work your way around the tumbler. It will not hurt it at all. This mattifier works great for all kinds of designs. I particularly like the wood grain or painted cups. I feel like they look really, really sleek and classy. Just kind of gives it a different look. So as you see, as I'm drying it here in real time, you will see it come to life, and you'll see how some of that gloss, or the gloss, is completely away. Obviously, the glossy spots are wet still, but look how pretty it's already looking. So good. And here it is. This is how it looks when it's completely dried. As you see, it is matte. You don't get that glossy epoxy finish. You have a nice, sleek matte look. And I use Simply Matte by DIY. Make sure to go check it out. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And tag us in all your creations, and tag DIY. Let them know how much you love their product and how easy it is to work. Look how pretty it looks. I feel like it gives the tumbler a whole new look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for our Patreon members. We appreciate your support. It means the world to us. Make sure you subscribe to your YouTube channel to get any new notifications on new videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.